There you go. Isn't that nice? Let's launch into it. A ghost in a box. We have a scene that you look into the box and then a ghost magically appears. Isn't that kind of cool? Now, I've done 2 of them. I've done 2 little scenes here, and you can do any kind of a creative scene that you want to do. And I'll talk a little bit more about what that is. That's actually Vincent van Gogh painting. But here's Aladdin's lamp. Well, a lamp. A genie lamp and a ghost in the lamp. I'll show you how to do all of this. It's really fun, interesting little project, clever, and people love it. So let's take a look at how it works. Here's your ghost is over here. You look through a hole in the box, and when your ghost is illuminated by light, you will see it bounce off you will see it on the glass. But if the glass is nice and clean, you just see straight through to the background, the normal scene. Because the ghost is in darkness. But if that ghost is illuminated, now that reflects off the glass, you see the ghost, but it appears like it's in the scene. Just like that. Just like you saw. It's pretty fun. Go back and look at it again if you want. And how do you get the glass? Well, $1.25 at the dollar store. I got myself a couple of picture frames, different sizes. So you can, if you're familiar with cutting glass, you could cut it down to any size you want. You get different sizes, and you can adapt this project to just about any size box. But a couple of things. Make sure the glass is nice and clean. It makes a difference. And let's get to it. Easy enough. You're going to have this project done in an hour if you have the materials on hand. So use some cardboard to block off one quadrant of the box like this. We do not need that quadrant. Tape it in place, glue it in place, whatever. We only need the 3 other quadrants. Now cut the corner like this. What's that name? Is it that the corner where 2 walls meet? Is that a corner? And then place your glass inside like this. But it's got to be at a 45-degree angle to your observation hole. That's important. Scene's there, ghost is there. So straight down the middle of that observation area, cut yourself out a hole so you can look inside the box and see the illusion. See, there you go. It looks straight down to the normal scene. Normal scene, ghost. So you can build your normal scene and your ghost right inside your box, but I made inserts that I can just drop in so I could show you a couple of different types. Your creativity is unlimited with this. What kind of ghost would you want and what kind of a scene? I'm going to tell you a little bit about this guy right here. This is actually from a real Vincent van Gogh painting that has been lost to time. It's believed to have been lost in a fire. It's The Painter on His Way to Work, it's called. You can look it up on Wikipedia. That's the actual painting, the background, and I removed Vincent van Gogh from it. He's in the painting. So put your scenes in there, and you want the box to be nice and dark. You don't want any light to slip in. But look, now do this. Cut a flap over the normal scene area. And why it's a flap is so that you can allow varying amounts of light to get in. You can control the light. It's not hard. It's not that critical. But it's really, really easy. Cut a flap. You can open the flap all the way, or you can open the flap partially just to check out the light. It's easy, easy, easy. Now we need another flap for our ghost, for the other quadrant where the ghost is in. And for that, we need a flashlight. And I'll show you something. You can't just cut a hole in the top of that quadrant, in the middle of that quadrant. You want it to be closer to the glass. I'll show you why. So you can illuminate whatever scene you have in there. Like if you have a single stand-up figure like this, you need to get the light on him. So that flap needs to be closer to the glass so you can get that light to shine like this, not directly above. See it? Illuminate that guy. And that's it. That's the whole project. Make yourself up some scenes, and let's talk about this. The Painter on His Way to Work. It's a famous, well, all of Van Gogh's are famous, but it was lost to a fire. But there are some pictures of it. So that's Vincent van Gogh on his way with his easel and his paints going to work on I don't know, French countryside, maybe? Or Dutch countryside. I'm sorry, it was Dutch, right? But there you go. Doesn't that look good? The ghost shows up, and then the ghost, watch this. And then the ghost disappears, and you're like, wow, that's pretty cool. See it? Now I did another one, kind of like a genie in a lamp, I guess. Kind of fun. You have the lamp on a little table I made out of cardboard, and the ghost shows up. I love that one. And see the light through the flap. Everything's perfect. It's wonderful. What can you do? There's all kinds of things. You're only limited by your imagination. Subscribe to this channel. Give me some love. Give me a thumbs up. So that's the whole project. And I'll just show you one more thing here. I'm going to just quickly show you, if you want to do inserts like I did, I'll show you the 4 inserts I made right here coming up. So there you go. Simple as that. Just some cardboard L's, right? There's on the left is Vincent van Gogh, the painter on his way to work. The beautiful lost painting. And on the right is the magic lamp and the ghost. And be careful. The ghost, you might think the ghost is backwards. See how his tail is on the right? That wouldn't fit the spout, right? But when you're reflecting the image off your glass, it's reversed. So now his tail comes into the spout. So watch for that. Have fun. Send me a picture. Check out my website. Thank you. Bye.